So I think by now it should be after the delay already.
Yeah.
Morning, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Today is 26th of May, Sunday, right?
Yeah. Good morning.
C price now is what, 69,000?
69,300. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw I was looking at the price chart rather on the 21st Singapore time zone here, 21st of May, it went to 71,900 plus.
Yeah. Let me open market cap. Yeah.
In fact, on the day before, on the 20th, it went to 71,300 plus.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it the next day it went down to 69. So it was in that range for a couple of days. Then it came back down to 66.
Yeah. 69.
And closed at 67,800
Yeah.
plus on the 23rd. So there's quite a fair bit of margin for a lot of people to play with. Yeah.
Yeah. And another question asks us why the price changed, like go up to 71,000. And I remember last week, 19th of May, we still had 67,000, 66 to 60,000, and it also can go down.
Yeah.
Go down to 66,000. That's why the price go up a lot. Yeah, we have a lot of news information, and this make a lot of institutional institutionals invest a lot in the Bitcoin ETF, and of course the need of the Bitcoin is more and more, and we will go through all the information we collect for the week. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, I hear you have the news about CBC is banned in US. Yeah, what's
Right.
happening?
You know, in the world of crypto, in the world of digital currency, in the world of a time like this where a lot of countries are exploring CBDC, trying to become faster and better in terms of cross-border money transfer, right? Then this
Yeah,
US House, they passed a bill. They have not made it into the law yet. It has not become a law yet. So, but they just passed a bill banning the Fed from issuing CBDC. I'm like, what the, you know,
yeah,
when everyone is trying to progress faster, you're trying to, I don't know, maybe they were thinking, maybe we still want to print some more paper money, Yeah, but this event has led to a lot of concerns. Yeah, so the House of Representatives, uh, the the 216 wants to ban, and I think just 100 over 192 say no, they don't want to.
yeah. The Senate.
Yeah. So
And
let's go to the previous one, which I have a lot of
yeah,
pointers. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
so out of the G7 countries, they are actually behind everybody else. Yeah, as of March, there's a record new high of 134 countries are exploring CBDC. So there's only like what 190 over countries in the world right now. So 134 is already exploring CBDC. Yeah, so 38 of these countries are having ongoing pilot programs. Pilot projects in CBDC. Yeah, so that includes Europe and Japan. One of them in Europe and Japan. Yeah, so someone said, it would be a self-defeating move in the race for future of money. We all know what the future of money is. The future of money is to be in a digital form. Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
So the future money need to be fast when it comes to settlement. Yeah. So digital money is the one that is going to help you do things a lot faster. Yeah. So someone said the US would be the only country in the world to have banned CBDC if this becomes a law.
yeah,
And that sounds like okay. Uh, there are some ways to see see positive changes. For example, in the next few months, you have presidential election. You have possibly Donald Trump fighting over fighting against Biden again.
yeah,
So from this perspective, I believe a lot of people will want to say, oh, we better get Trump up again, because after 4 years, this Biden is not helping in any way. Yeah, he's not helping in many ways, in fact. Yeah, so when it comes to crypto and digital currency, I don't think, I, don't- I'm pretty sure they don't want Biden to be on the seat again to cause a lot of problem because every 4 years there is halving, right? So this year there was halving, and then this year is election. So if
yeah,
he's there for the next 4 years, what is
yeah,
going to happen from then on until the next halving? And I don't think a lot of people want to see that. Yeah.
yeah,
So let's move on to the next slide.
yeah,
Yeah, so this is the one that is showing a picture on the Republican, the Independent, whatever, who are voting for what for the banning the Fed from issuing CBDC.
yeah.
Mr. Richard, what do you think of this CBDC thing? For they are banning US banning the CBDC.
Uh, this one is um, with me. I think ban for CBDC is a way for from the from the government. They don't want the Fed will control the CBDC because um, with the CBDC nowadays, because in US the Fed, of course, the Fed will control the government, and now the government don't want the Fed will control all the way all the thing. That's why they make a ban for the CBDC in the US. Yeah, because uh, uh, of course they don't want the Fed will see how the money can go in and go out to their um, uh, uh, that means go to some of the people in the government. Yeah, it look like hidden money. Yeah, so that's why with this this case they of course now first time they don't want the CPC. It look like last time the Donald Trump he also banned for CBC last time, and he asked to ban for the CBC. And this time I also see two party in US now they both agree both go together with the crypto. I also don't know why because I also think it's because the benefits for the both party because last time Trump he support crypto and get a lot of people support crypto follow him, and now Biden he also try it's late but it's still the time for him to jump into the crypto space. Before I say furthermore about between the Trump and Biden, let's see. Mr. Nicholas have some information about um, the CBC in China.
All right.
in Thailand
All
and
right.
China.
This is a short one. This is
Yeah,
a short information. We
yeah,
all know that there's this Enbridge thing, Enbridge project that involves China, Hong Kong, Thailand, and UAE. Yeah. So what happened recently was China and Thailand, they signed a local currency agreement. So of course, is to facilitate quicker bilateral currency transaction.
yeah,
Yeah. So this is the picture of them in a meeting and a signing session just a few days ago. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, the Enbridge project, just a recap, is a cross-border CBDC initiative and was originally launched by the Bank of Thailand and Hong Kong. Uh, and this is the purpose is to make faster and cheaper international payments. So subsequently, China and UAE joined the project, and I'm pretty sure they probably just not going to stay there. But let's see. Let's see how. Yeah. So yeah, so this is like a kind of like fresh progress, and I'm pretty sure that further down the road, you will start to see a lot of movements away from US dollar again, further again. Yeah, so and that is why American government is very concerned. They are very worried. Not concerned, but they are very worried. Yeah, they are worried that more and more countries of the world are actually trading away using US dollar, uh, away from using US dollar. Yeah, yeah, Mr. Richard.
yeah. I I think this look like the way China in China uh, want to collaborate and make one currency for using, and they cooperate with Thailand. It's also look like to make the out of border payment. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is the way to make
yeah. The way I look at it,
yeah,
uh, China has been linked to a lot of very many projects, right?
yeah,
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 so here we have M Bridge, then they have bricks on the other side, and then they have this, they have that, So I'm pretty sure that uh, the few, let's say for example the BRICS, people are talking, oh, they'll have a BRICS currency among the BRICS nation, and then here they have this, another cross border, uh,
yeah,
whatever between these few countries, and then somehow I'm pretty sure that there's other projects that will involve new local currency somewhere else.
yeah,
So something like almost when I look at this information yesterday, it gave me the feeling of it's something like a decentralized into small area kind of thing.
yeah,
Yeah, or one small project will have a few countries involved, and then they have a faster transaction there, and then they have another few. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, it seems like this is the way moving forward. Yeah, so but more importantly, they want to make things faster. Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, so Bitcoin miners, this Bitcoin miner it entered into a renewable energy partnership with Kenyan government.
mm,
Last week we were talking about Ghana. This week we have information from Kenya.
Kenya,
Kenya is okay. The first first few things come across about Kenya is they are marathon runners. They are very good.
yeah,
When I watched Olympics in the past, oh, these Kenyan people they can run. Yeah. So uh, so here digital marathon digital currency. Okay, this is the company called Marathon Digital, not the real marathon running. Yeah. So they struck a deal on Friday with the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum of Kenya, basically to develop the country's uh, energy infrastructure with over 80 million in investment. So, yeah, of course, according to the ITA, which is International Trade Administration, more than 80% of Kenya's electricity is generated through renewable energy source. So the world is actually talking about renewable energy, green energy, this, that. So for BTC miner to enter into this partnership, I think also part of it is because mining BTC requires a lot of energy, right, Mr.
Yeah,
Richard?
that's right. Mining energy costs a lot of energy. It look like in the other country like El Salvador now they use reusable energy like volcano energy
Uh-huh.
to do the mining. And now I see a good news to see in Kenya they use the green energy to mining. Maybe I think they will use the solar power to do the mining, and they also use the wind power to do the mining in Kenya. But I rely on the solar power in Kenya because that's in those countries there's a lot of heat, receive a lot of the sun
Yeah.
power, so they may use when I do the Google search, I see a lot of image about the solar power in Kenya. Yeah, uh, that's why let me copy one of the image. Uh, that's why they they may use the solar power for the mining. This very useful
Oh,
information
this is
and give us
combination of both,
more.
right?
Yeah,
This one has solar and wind together.
yeah, solar and wind power together. Yeah, um, because before that I hear some anti-Bitcoin. They always say that Bitcoin costs a lot of power and use unfriendly environment power to to my Bitcoin. Yeah, this if information is give us the positive image in the cryptocurrency nowadays, and later we will share more about uh, how how the Bitcoin is supported by the community nowadays. Before it's supported by community to uh, to President candidate. Donald Trump now he's very positive in and have an open mind in crypto in Bitcoin, and in his choose social network he also said his his have very positive and open to cryptocurrency companies. Yeah, and he says that the U.S. must lead in this area. This information show us that his he will support. It means that he will support the cryptocurrency company in the future when his will be elected as a president. Yeah. Uh, Also the same Joe Biden, he also had the same way because if if he against crypto nowadays, he will he will be left behind because now most of the money to support the president campaign um, is coming from crypto because most of the company crypto supports give money to them. Like last time, FTX also uh, one of the last big company support for the president campaign. And now Joe Biden he also he show his support for it. Let me share with you is his he said he's hiring a master. Yeah, master of meme, the meme because he want to make the meme coin like Donald Trump. When you go to the CoinMarketCap, you see a lot of meme coin named Donald Trump, and now he want to be part of the yeah,
I,
and
this guy too late.
yeah. So you may see this photo. Yeah, this photo is
Yeah.
Dark Brandon. Yeah, his had a laser eye. The laser eyes mean that yeah, he's involved in the crypto. Let
Surprised they actually use the name Brandon.
yeah yeah oh
They are swearing at him.
yeah. Let me show you this very funny moment. Yeah, he's also
Roy, podium is yours.
yeah
I'm going to be fine with your jokes, but I'm not sure about Dark Brandon.
yeah. Yeah, it's just one of the funny thing when he saw that his laser eye, laser eye, and then how about Donald Trump? We also see here the Trump meme is also show up in the Yankee Stadium, one of the baseball in the U.S. Yeah. Now, both of the president candidates, they are running for crypto, and they support for crypto nowadays, and both party they support for crypto too. Yeah. So uh, some of the people say that Bitcoin have no value. Yeah. Of course, it has no value. So give me 10 BTC, and I will give you the thing you always dream about. Yeah, that's that is one of the this photo show us the value of the Bitcoin from 2011. Yeah, um, with 10,000 BTC 2011, you only can buy the bicycle. Yeah, and now with only 10 BTC, the Lamborghinis can go together with you. Yeah. This is just show the value, the hidden value of the Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah, with someone they say, oh, Bitcoin don't have the value. Okay, just show him this photo and they will know. Yeah, how value it is. Um, back to the how about the fund the money jump into the Bitcoin ETF, yeah. With the Bitcoin spot ETF now, we see now today is week 20. Yeah, week 20. After 20 week, we see the fund jump into the Bitcoin spot ETF uh, uh, more than in the chart show that within 2 weeks, more than 2 billion US were purchased for the ETF fund for the Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, it's very positive information. Yeah, very exciting. When we have the Bitcoin spot ETF in the near future, we will have the Ethereum ETF because yeah
Yeah.
after pressure
Yes.
yeah, ATC, we see ATC like this. So, ATC officially approved ETF spot, Ethereum spot ETF. Yeah, and now within 2 weeks or 1 month, at least 1 month, the other we can trade the Bitcoin Ethereum spot ETF in US, um, and uh, and for some international, if they want to purchase Ethereum, they can trade directly in the Ethereum spot ETF in US exchange. Yeah. Uh, Last week on Thursday is a week that people feel very very excited, and someone they ask is, oh, why it's take a long time than Bitcoin spot ETF with Ethereum ETF and Bitcoin spot ETF. must be approved by SEC, and uh, they have to fill up the form. Now they submit the form S1, and they must wait around 2 weeks to be approved. The S1 form. Last time with the Bitcoins, they submit the two forms together, and they approve in the same day. Because last time they prepare for a long time for the Bitcoin spot ETF, and now with the Ethereum spot ETF, a lot of people thinking that, oh, it cannot be approved and it may take a long time because SEC now keep waiting, and they may not approve because SEC they send a well notice to the other Ethereum wallet company, and say that they will sue them, blah, 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 something like that, and make the market, make the people feel that the chance to be approved, the Ethereum spot ETF is so low. Until now, we see SEC turn 180 degree. That's they approve the Ethereum spot ETF. Yeah. And now we see in the Wall Street Journal, SEC expand option for the crypto investing. Yeah. They change 180 degree because the pressure, maybe because the pressure from the politics. Yeah. If they don't, in my own opinion, if they don't approve, they don't have enough money from the crypto company to bomb in. Nowadays we see both parties in US, they want money to be donated for the president campaign, so they uh, uh, must have the action, good action, uh, open mind for the cryptocurrency company, so, and they can get the donation. If not, they have nothing. So they must open the gate um, for the for the crypto investing. Yeah, this is the milestone for the community. This is the milestone for the for Ethereum ETF, because this when they approve the Ethereum ETF, this is the first altcoin uh, will be first altcoin in the ETF market. Yeah. So it will clear the way for the other altcoin. So a lot of company thinking about this. Oh, it's next time in the future 2025, what the other altcoin will be in the ETF, spot ETF. But let's see how's the react from the how's the reaction from the community, the people, how the volume of the altcoin Ethereum's spot ETF, because if the volume is less, so the other altcoin will not follow, because jumping to the ETF costs a lot of documentation, costs a lot of paperwork, because this is in the crypto digital. Yeah, we see in the highlight in the article it says a significant milestone. Yeah, that is the thing I want to share, because the we all can see the recent legal development about the FIT 21, the Financial Innovation and Technology in US. This FIT 21 is have been go through from the U.S. House. This one will reduce the power from the SEC, because last time we see when the company they want to submit for the in the crypto, when they submit, they got rejected or banned from the SEC, and now with this bill, this FIT 21 all the thing will go through to the house, not the SEC. Yeah, it's one of the good information for the community and the crypto. Yeah, um, we all see the highlight. It's just good news for the community, but why the price of the crypto is not go up? Why what's happening when the price of the Bitcoin crypto is just hanging around after the news coming out? People say that uh, we all can hear the people say the buy the first and sell the news. Yeah, buy the first and sell the news. When the news coming out, the other want to take profits because they hold too long. So they just when the news coming out, they just sell some of their crypto. So the price, you all can see the price of Bitcoin just hanging out is not 61, not 71 or 80. I also expect I see when the price um, of the Bitcoin in the crypto will jump will go up more up much this the end of this week. That means this Sunday or beginning of next week because the good news coming out when SEC approved for the Ethereum spot ETF, but the selling pressure from the team selling the news. Let's see how what team is stronger. So we will see the market will react. Yeah, and one more thing, I also got the news that about the El Salvador, the Modi, they upgrade the El Salvador rating from the CAA 3 to CAA 1. It's better than it's mean economic still stable. Yeah. Some people think, oh, what's happening with El Salvador? When El Salvador it say that they will use as a Bitcoin as a legal tender. And now, what happening with El Salvador? A lot of financial institutions say, "Oh, we should not follow El Salvador because they support Bitcoin." And now El Salvador is one of the country uh, they mine they they mine and accumulate Bitcoin when the price of Bitcoin around 40,000, and when the price of Bitcoin go down 20,000, a lot of people laugh at him. Yeah, and now the price will up above 40,000 is 70,000, nearly 70,000. Yeah, and we see the Modi immediately share information to us. They change the credit better for El Salvador, and we also respect that. Yeah. One more thing, the with the after the Ethereum spot ETF approved, how about the Standard Chartered Bank? They says in the future, SOL or Ripple could be approved ETF. Yeah. In my own opinion, let's see how the market has the Ethereum spot ETF. How much money will inflow for the Ethereum spot ETF? Because we see the Bitcoin with the Bitcoin, we see within 2 weeks we see Bitcoin have a 2 billion US will purchase in crypto and Bitcoin. Yeah, and they expect with the chain Standard Chartered, they expect between uh, 15 billion to 45 billion will in the inflow in the crypto in the uh, in Ethereum spot ETF. It's a possibility because it's hot. It is a lot of people like Ethereum and in the crypto in in digital. Some people define very short. With the Bitcoin, they say it's a digital gold, and um, how do you think with Ethereum, what they will say is in digital? Mr. Nicholas, how do you think
Um,
what they say Ethereum in digital?
in digital,
Yeah, with the
right?
Bitcoin, they says
And,
dice is a goal, is a digital goal. Yeah,
ah, right.
yeah,
You are saying ETF being thought of and think like digital gold. It's not exactly how would you say? Right now, a lot of people are still thinking, oh, Bitcoin, digital gold, Bitcoin, digital gold, you know. So, but ETF being digital gold is probably maybe digital gemstone.
yeah,
But the thing is that they are going on the same path as a Bitcoin ETF. So now Ether, they want to have they have this ETF, right? So very soon, the popularity or the name of Ethereum will grow bigger as well. Yeah. So right now, the whole world is thinking of Bitcoin ETF. In fact, anybody who doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency, the first thing they think of when people ask them, let's say someone give you interview you in the street and ask you, do you know anything about cryptocurrency? They'll be thinking, oh yeah, I know about Bitcoin. That's the
yeah,
first thing that come to their mind. It's
yeah,
not it's not Ethereum, it's Bitcoin. So Ethereum will somehow fall into place later on, uh, whether they can be think of and can be treated as digital gold. It depends very much how people feel towards Ethereum itself. Yeah,
yeah,
I mean, a lot of people are feeling good about Ethereum because they have already been investing in digital currency for quite some time. You know, yeah, they each time they trade BTC, they'll be looking at ETF. So each time they look at BTC price, they'll look at Ethereum price as well. But
yeah,
for those new entries, when they first come in, it will take them some time to understand what Ethereum is all about. But slowly and surely, they will probably become the second digital gold, I believe. Yeah, but
yeah,
not as how would you say? It's like It's like gold and white gold. You know,
yeah, yeah.
so very
But in some the other DeFi, they they uh, they last time we some people explained about the internet is so hard. They just say internet is just a highway
yeah,
information. Yeah,
yes, that's right.
yeah. It's if someone asks you to define Bitcoin, just say it's look like the digital gold, and now someone asks what Ethereum, someone and we just say it's look like the digital oil because uh, uh, when you create the token, you need Ethereum because it's
Oh yeah,
need a
uh,
gas. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So I think you have a point. Digital oil.
Yeah, it's digital oils. So people will think easily and know that it's very simple, and we just use as oil and gas to create the other token to sign up about the contract. Yeah, and in near future, the other altcoin will be in the ETF fund, and it will attract a lot of fund um, from the institution. That's why our title today is about the institution invest in the Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, and this chart is show about how much money from the hedge fund from the other from the other fund, the bank will invest in the crypto. Yeah. Now we have more than 1 billion in, yeah, with 85 hedge fund jump into the Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, we see a lot of fund and money jump in. When you have the Bitcoin spot ETF, why? What's happening? Why they want to buy Bitcoin? But when before it's go to the spot ETF, why they don't invest in? Yeah, of course, it's because of the regulation. They want something to sure that to confirm that it can be bought and buy uh, surely not in some elsewhere. That's why they need to wait until it's have been approved from the government, and they can surely can purchase can we will see the inflow money come into this crypto area, because last time we also compared to say that in crypto and Bitcoin, the the market cap is only around 2.5 trillion. With the Bitcoin is it take 53%, and Ethereum is 17.5%. Yeah, it's still low. It's still a chance for the other people can jump in, because this way this market is still have a lot of things for us to explore. Yeah, I also think it's a time for us to complete the live stream this morning. Yeah, and I hope you can have good information, and hope you have a nice weekend. See you in our next live stream, Mr. Nicholas.
All right, see you in our next live stream. We hope you make some money, and of course, by no means we are giving advices, but please do your own due diligence and as you invest, look to invest in new tokens, new coins, and all. And we wish you the best week